Do you get confused whether cream or powder makeup products, which one would be the right choice for you? Well, I'm going to help you with that today. Hi guys, my name is Muskan Hingorani and I'm a professional makeup artist, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a versus of cream versus powder products, going to be stating the pros and cons of both of them so that it will be easier for you to decide which one is the right choice for you. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So let's start with cream makeup products. Okay, so as you can see on my hand, the swatches of a lipstick, a contour product and a cream eyeshadow. Okay, so if you can see, they all are very creamy and shiny, right? So this is basically a cream contour, a cream eyeshadow and a cream blush, right? So how are these products to be used and who it is right for? It is right for people who like to do makeup on a bare skin, like without any other makeup on, directly after moisturizer and sunscreen. A cream blush, a cream highlighter, a cream contour, a cream eyeshadow, cream lipstick, everything cream. Okay, these are very moisturizing in nature, so if you have dry skin, these would be a great choice for you. Also, since they are cream in nature, they are not that long lasting. Yes, some are in the market which are very long lasting, but still they might not be as long lasting as powder product. The best part about them is, since they are creamy in nature, they act as a base and don't need a base. So you just need a moisturizer and sunscreen underneath, and on that you can blend it very easily. Another good part about cream products, you don't need any specific brushes for them. You can just use your hands to blend them, except for contour. For contour you will need a proper brush, but other than that, like blush, your highlighter, your lipstick, your cream eyeshadow, for all of those you don't need a brush. You can just use your hands. So it is great for people who are lazy or who are on the go and want to do a quick makeup look which looks super natural, nothing to fuss about. For them, cream products are the best bet. Also, I would like to say, I won't recommend going for cream products with a base on, like with a foundation on. If you have a foundation all over a face, then I won't suggest go for cream products, because there is a good chance that it will disturb the foundation underneath. Okay, because both are cream, so it might disturb it underneath. If you know it how to do it very well, then you can definitely go for it. But for beginners, I would say start it on a bare face and then move on to applying it underneath your foundation. Okay, also say they are in most cases creamy and shiny. The only place you can find it matte is in maybe eyeshadow, but other than that, if you find matte cream products, they would be likely more hard to blend. So I would say that if you are not very fond of shiny things on your face, you don't like shine, you like a matte look, then also cream products won't be the best choice for you. Also, since they are creamy in texture, they are likely to get transfer. Okay, if you don't set it with a compact powder, it is a good chance that it will transfer. Like if you put, like, you know, if you put your phone or if you put your hand on your face or something, it can transfer because it is creamy in texture, right? So it's a good chance that it will transfer. So if you don't like products which transfer, then also cream products won't be the best choice for you. Also, since they are creamy in nature, they will be expiring faster than powder products. In general, powder products take a lot of time to expire. They will not expire that easily. But with cream products, that formula is different. Since it's liquid, it's creamy, their formula is about to go bad earlier, and that's why they will expire earlier. So I will suggest, if you own any cream products, try to use them up as quickly as possible. Don't keep them for too long, because it's a good chance that it will expire. Cream products are great for people who like that no makeup look, but keep in mind that they will crease. Now, what do you mean by crease? So supposingly, if you apply a cream eyeshadow on your eyelids, okay, it is a good chance, like throughout the day the oils get produced on your eyelids and everything, there will be some lines and it will not look that nice. So if you get a good cream eyeshadow, make sure that it is crease proof, or set it with a powder one so that it will not budge around the day. Cream products have a tendency to crease, so do keep that in mind. It's just by nature, that is how they are. Since it is creamy, it is a good chance that it will crease. It's just by their nature, you cannot really help that. So basically, to sum it all up, cream products are great for people who like minimal look, no makeup look, who are on the go, like quick makeup करके निकलना है घर से, who like to travel a lot. So when you're traveling, you generally don't have a lot of time to do makeup. For them, for those days, it's a great choice, but you will have to reapply it throughout the day. So that's the point you need to keep in mind. Also, it's great for people who don't like a lot of makeup. Basically, okay, you don't like to apply foundation and everything, but just want a little bit of something on your face to, you know, brighten it up and, you know, give it some glow. Now, certain cream makeup products that work really great for all is cream lipsticks as cream blush, or cream blush if you want to separately invest in one. Cream highlighters, oh my god, just apply a cream blush and an highlighter and go in that sunlight. You will get such a beautiful look. It's just phenomenal. If you are into no makeup look, if you just apply these two products and go and click pictures in the sun, I can assure you, you will love it. Okay, so cream blush, cream highlighter, cream eyeshadows. Wow, they are just like, they are usually available in a stick form. Apply it as a stick, blend it out, and boom, you won't have to apply anything else, maybe just a liner. If not that also, it will look really nice. It's a very simple chic look, and I would really suggest you guys to try it. I personally do it a lot. Now let's move on to powder products. So as you can see in the swatches here, they look powdery in nature. Now I will put both of them in comparison so you can see the difference. This is the cream one and this is the powder one. You can see the difference in the texture. It is shiny, more cream like in texture. This is a bit more powdery in nature, not as creamy, okay, and shiny. Now shiny it is, but not as creamy, right? So this is the main difference. Now powder products can be your eyeshadow, your blush, your compact. All of these can be counted in your powder products. Powder products are great for people with oily skin because powder products are more long lasting and also will help you mattify your skin. Since you're oily, you would like a mattified look, right? So that is why it is great for you. With powder products, you will definitely need brushes. Without brushes, it is not at all easy to apply them. Since they are powdery, your hands will not be able to blend them as efficiently as a brush would. So you will be needing brushes for almost all of them. When you see makeup all over the years, even today, in majority of the looks, even for the look I have on, the majority products are used at our powder products. Next, what I want to talk about in powder products is they will not expire for a long time. They are formulated in such a way that usually they do not expire for a really long time, and that way they will last you for a good amount of time. Okay, powder products are more long lasting in the pan, as well as it will take you a lot of time to hit pan. Okay, so basically hit pan means, for example, this is an eyeshadow palette. Okay, for me to use this whole eyeshadow up to see the pan, the base of the eyeshadow, it will take me a lot of time because they are just powder and it will not get over easily. So they are very long lasting, not just in the pan but also their shelf life, like their expiry date is not that neat. Powder products, you will get them in a lot of products and with a huge color variety. You won't get that much variety in cream as of right now as much you would get in powder products. Okay, the huge variety available. Since it is available since years, it has been, you know, more variety has been created right now. They are available in both matte and shimmery finish, as you can see. Okay, like for eyeshadows, for your blushes and everything. So you can get both the finishes, whereas in cream, matte finishes are not very widely available. You will mostly find creamy, satiny finishes, but matte very rarely you will find that. Also, powder products, if used too much, can definitely look cakey. With cream products, even if you build on, it may not look cakey, it may look too much, like zyada laga liya. But with powder products, it will look cakey and it's definitely not a good look. Also, with people who have dry skin, it can, if you have somewhere dry patches like we get in winters usually, if you get them, that will also be very exaggerated with them if you over apply. If you apply in good amount, not too much, then they won't be as exaggerated. And if you moisturize well, then also they won't be exaggerated. But if you don't moisturize well and apply too much powder in certain areas, then definitely it will accentuate those dry patches and it will look even more drier, right? So that is another point to keep in mind. But if you want makeup which will last you all day long, like from morning till evening, for your weddings, for your parties, for any big event in your life. If you want your makeup to last all day long, even for office, then you will have to opt for powder products because it's more long lasting, will be there on your face all day long without having you to worry about it. Okay, so that's also a point you need to keep in mind with powder products. So basically, to sum it all up, if you are a person who is really into makeup, you have a knowledge of how to use brushes, you like to wear makeup for full day, or if you want to go to an event like a wedding or something, you want your makeup to last you all day long, then powder products is great for you. So yeah, that was all about powder products. Now it's time for bonus tip. Like in every video of mine, I give a bonus tip at the end of each and every video. Today also I have a bonus tip for you all. If you are wondering, can you use both of them together? Yes, you can. You can use cream and your powder products together, but there is a way to that and I'm going to share that. Always use your cream products first. Like apply a foundation and everything, apply your cream products, apply a cream blush, set it with a powder brush, and so on and so forth with all other products on your face, right? Basically, the logic of it is that how you set your foundation with a compact powder, the same logic applies over here as well. You have to apply the powder products in the end, because if you apply cream over powder, it will definitely get patchy, it will not at all blend, and it will look very bad on your face. So please, if you have applied powder over your face, don't go again with a cream product. Apply another powder product on top of it. Don't apply cream over it. Do all the cream products at once, then set it with all powder products at once. That's how you go about it. Also, the benefit of this is, if done rightly, then it will last you a long time. Like your makeup will be very long lasting because you'll get the power of two. And yeah, that will be very great if you are into that kind of a look. But usually people, they mix and match. Like if supposingly they applied cream contour, okay, then they will just set it with a compact powder. Normally they will not go in with another cream contour, okay. That is for everyday looks or for when you don't want your makeup to be very long lasting. The whole thing, like cream blush, then powder blush, and all of these things can be done when you have to go for that full long lasting look, okay. Also, let me know in the comments down below, what do you prefer? Do you prefer cream makeup or do you prefer powder makeup? For personally me, for everyday, I do like cream makeup, but for when I want to get fully glam, I like powder makeup. So I like both of them, but in different occasions and as per my mood, okay. So yeah, let me know in the comments below. I would love to know, and also would be sharing content as per that for you. So yeah. Also, if you like today's video and would want to see more makeup knowledge from me, then definitely subscribe to my channel and also watch me over on Instagram. I post a lot of reels and I give a lot of tips in my captions. If you read them, you will get a lot of makeup knowledge from my experience as a makeup artist. So yeah, I hope you guys like today's video. Till next time, bye bye.